3 weeks. Delilah done slim down. Look how big yellow is. It's the Delilah Samson litter right here. All boys. The big old Samson is. People wonder why I do that sound with my dogs. That's the sound. That's the sound of nipple suckling. So that's how I start to, call them without actually, giving them a command. Spot, little buddy. Let's see if he's. I know he's gonna scream when I picked him up. There you go. Yeah, just a little bit. They are huge, and the benefit of a small litter is those dogs are gonna have twice the opportunities to feed without any help. You see how big they getting. Ours naturally big, but these boys gonna be magnificent because they not fighting. You know what I'm saying? With 8 puppies for 8 nipples and type stuff. You know what I'm saying? Watch Red Collar, he don't get up. Make his way over to his mama. Cute guy right there. Delilah always the good mom. And around that 2-3 week mark is still cool because she keeps the kennel clean. She clean them up. And see, this is another thing about why I don't keep my dogs like aggressive and high anxiety in kennels. Because you see how she's being a good mom and stuff. She's gonna teach these dogs how to be good dogs. You feel me? So, it starts with at home. And if your dog is being bred, in cages outside, bro, they don't have that little toe. Yeah, she enjoying that. Well, he enjoying that. My bad. They all boys. Big boys. Samson, Delilah litter. Couple still available. 530-919-6263. Tell Doc the Dew Claw. They'll be ready to go in roughly about 5 weeks. Get out here, boy. Woo!